So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumrak Luna here for another toy review, and we will talk about basically the new release 2026 Marvel Legends series Johnny Blaze with the red motorcycle or Hell Cycle. So that is on your screen, which is on the left side, and we also have as well the 2018 release Johnny Blaze, and this will be later on in the video. We will talk about their differences or comparison. So moving on, guys, for the Ghost Rider 2026, if you're a new collector and you want to do a shrine for the Ghost Rider, so this is a must for me, in my opinion. Why? Number one, guys, the new release 2026 Ghost Rider with the Hell Cycle or motorcycle. This is the actual first Johnny Blaze as the Ghost Rider in the actual comics, which is this is the first appearance of the modern supernatural Ghost Rider, and this is from the Marvel Spotlight issued number 5, published in 1972. So this is the actual action figure based as well on the comics that they released this year, which is on the month of April. Now, articulation wise, for this new action figure, it has 20 points of articulation. Napakaganda, napakasulit. Head sculpt wise, it is the very detailed, same with the comics itself. Alright? Ang color detail lang niya, mas whiter siya compared to the other head sculpt ng Ghost Riders from the 2018 Johnny Blaze, the most modern version. Alright, as you can see, different head paint job on the head, and as well from Danny Ketch and even Robbie Reyes. So there. So each Ghost Rider that they release has different paint jobs or different colorway. Now, very iconic as well dito sa first appearance sa Ghost Rider na Johnny Blaze. Why? Because of the actual suit. Makikita nyo, ayan, very detailed ang muscle. Very masculine siya. As in, makikita nyo mo yung muscle detail niya from the upper torso, arms, legs, and even sa bicep niya, and as well as sa back. Yan. Now, points of articulation, 20 points of articulation siya. Ball joint on the shoulders, butterfly joint for the shoulders as well, bicep, swivel, yan. Double jointed elbow, and hands can do 360 degrees, abdominal crunch, no upper swivel, but it has a hip swivel. Sa legs, meron siyang tight swivel, as you can see, double jointed as well ang knees, sobrang tigas niyan, guys, and foot can do up and down, left and right. Very iconic siya, parehong-pareho siya doon sa comics from the Marvel Marvel Spotlight issue number 5. Now, it has an accessories included, not just the Hell Cycle, meron din yang chain with flame effect. Ang kinaganda din dito, ginamitan nila ng gunmetal gray ang color ng chain. Mas, kumbaga, mas nagmumukha siyang bago na parang luma ang dating. Parang ganun, guys. Gets yun na yun. Yan. And meron siyang one pair of closed fist hand. Ito actually yung default hand dun sa kamay. And one for the left hand na open palm hand. Ayan. Kung nakita nyo sa unboxing video. Okay? Yan. So, yun, overall, this is a 10 out of 10 for our newly Ghost Rider from 2026 release, which is from the first appearance. Now, moving on with their comparison. Motorcycle-wise, okay, for this year, 2026, na Hell Cycle, comparing to the 2018 na release, pareho lang sila ng mold. Okay? And with the fire effects, kung makikita nyo, parehong-pareho lang din. Nagkaiba lang ng kulay, much detailed, modern motorcycle, color ng gulong, ayan, yellow dun sa 2018, full red doon naman sa first appearance na 2026 or this year na release. Flame effects, much redder, I would say red-orange ang datingan nito nung flame comparing sa 2018 na combination siya ng yellow to red-orange. Kumbaga, lighter yung flame effects ng 2018 release na Ghost Rider series versus doon sa newly released 2026 or this year na Hell Cycle ni Johnny Blaze. So, yun lang yung difference nila. And yung dito sa headlight, if we will remove this skull accessory, the headlight here on the new release, dito lang ako medyo na-disappoint kasi sticker siya. Rather than here sa 2018 release, it's not a sticker type of headlight, but yan, kung makikita nyo, clear plastic ang dating. Yellow clear plastic. Kaya parang nagbumukha siyang mas realistic. Okay? Then, sa back, yung 2016 na Ghost Rider na Johnny Blaze, if you would notice, meron siyang backrest. Ayan. With the skull. So, this is one of the awesome detail dito kasi napaka-detail dung bungo. Ayan. Okay. Then, leather brown seat cover. Comparing to the 2018, kasi nga, mas modern to, wala na yung backrest doon sa likod. Okay? Kaya plain lang siya. Which is, usually, yun naman na makikita natin sa modern motorcycle. Diba? Yan. And, as well, yung newly released, wala siyang accessory for the motorcycle na skull or Hell Cycle head. Yan, kagaya nito. Wala siya niyan. Okay, yun ang current difference nilang dalawa. Kung titingnan nyo. Alright, moving on after the motorcycle comparison, dun tayo sa action figure. So again, both of the action figures has different colorway and style ng kanilang damit. Okay, so again, this one is like a tracksuit dun sa first appearance. Ito, yung 2026 release na Johnny Blaze na first appearance. Walang button, fully fit, body fit siya ang dating, kahit naka boots. Okay, kumbaga ito naka ang datingan parang hindi siya denim jeans, it's more on a trouser type. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. And sa belt, ibang-iba. Comparing dun sa 2018 na release, much modern get-up, jacket, Talagang mahalatang jacket siya. Ayan. Dahil may button. Then the belt. Much more modern type. Hindi puro bilog. Nagkaroon na talaga ng appearance yung mismong buckle dun sa belt. And as well yung jeans, talagang makikita mo na parang leather denim jeans siya. Dun sa pagkaka-wavy niya, lahat sa design. And as well the boots. Di strap on na siya. Hindi yung parang if-fit, pasok fit mo na lang na bota. Ganon. Pero articulation wise, the same. And kagaya na sinabi ko, magkaiba sila ng head sculpt. Color pa lang ng head sculpt, you would notice as well magkaiba. And sa effect, walang neck fire effect dito sa newly released Johnny Blaze na first appearance comparing to the 2018 Johnny Blaze Rider Series na Ghost Rider. So far, those are the comparison nitong dalawang Ghost Rider na Johnny Blaze natin. But still, they are both first appearance. They are both Johnny Blaze and they are both Ghost Rider. Again, this was in the year 1972. First appearance, and this is later part of the year 1972, around 1990 naman itong Johnny Blaze na Ghost Rider na to. So, that's it for now. Hope you enjoy this toy review and quick comparison of our Johnny Blaze first appearance Ghost Rider. So, this is Sumurak Luna. Thank you for watching, and please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. So, Sumurak Luna out. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Peace. Bye.